look at a Fiat 126. Woo! The Polish Fiat 126. So we're in Poland and we're about 7 miles away. Yeah, baby. Just want to see what it looks like. Yeah! Okay, so see it? Can you see it? I can see it. Is this a lefty? Oh, look at that beauty. Woo. Just in a field.
Mine, but not mine.
Mine, but not yours, right? Ooh.
Yes, it's not, but it's for in Polish car. Always, probably here.
Yeah, yeah.
Here and here.
Yeah.
Here is the case. And next problem is here. Because it's very good, but I start this car, yes, and you know.
Just bumped, yeah. That's not a problem.
And big engine, how size engine is free? Size engine?
Ah, right.
Tak.
The fuel pipe.
Potrzebuj kiedy produkować.
Yep. So I won't start without that one. Polish motorcycle. Well, it's the next day. Saw the Fiat yesterday. Guy's just rang. Can I get it started? He's supposed to be dropping it off for us now. Yeah. But we're waiting. What you doing? So we're waiting for the we're waiting for the car to turn up, and we're going to dump it over there somewhere, or if I'm lucky I might get it in here. Yeah. Wow. It was brown at the beginning of the week, and it's here.
Pierwszy EL.
To jest dla ciebie.
It's a mess. What have I done? Right, so found a battery. I think this was off Adrian's Mazda Miata, but it's completely flat. Got a battery charger, and the battery charger thinks it's only a 6-volt battery. It's been in for a couple of hours and it's got a 6.7 volts. So I don't know what's going on here because it won't actually. I mean, it says, what's that? I don't know what it says. That says battery percent, that's voltage, something else. And it won't actually let us put it onto 12-volt battery, and this won't let us do anything. So I don't know if this cheapy little battery charger is just rubbish, or the battery is actually kaput. But I need some power. I need to try and start Maluch and get that bad boy running. Perimeter putty cut. I guess the bad thing about working on a car in Poland is I've got no tools here, but we do have a trolley jack from Lidl, because we have Lidl in Poland. Bonus. I'm going to have to see if I can get some jack stands, maybe ramps, Actually, I don't need jacks or ramps. I can probably push the 126 over on its side. Yeah.